this week is Jasmine's birthday. And we're really struggling to work out what you buy a 3-year-old who wants nothing and needs nothing and has all the toys to play with from her big sister. So Amber here got on the internet and found this. And she is gonna love it.
What's in your box?
What's in the box? The most epic present ever. Put the box away.
Pull it off.
Yeah, if you can pull me off, it'd be great. Oh. Shit. This. She's got a quad bike.
It's got like little suspension under there.
Oh. This is going to be amazing.
You can't ride it.
I'm going to try.
You're too heavy.
Weight is just a number. It's even got little alloy wheels. Oh.
That is ace. I'm going to take a picture.
He goes. Maybe.
It says suitable for 3 to 5 years. Please don't. God's sake.
So the verdict is, it looks really cool. There are 2 wheel trims to go on the back. I need to try and make sure the back wheels are tight.
Finished yet?
But yeah, it does go a fair bit faster with me not on it. So it's got, let me show you. Let's give you the grand tour. So we have an on and off button. We have a low speed and a high speed. We've got forward, stop, and back. So,
Oh my god, that was really fast.
wow, I want to have another go.
No, you're not going on it.
Okay. So yeah, low speed. Let's go backwards. There we go. High speed. Let's go forward. Oh, that's backwards. Oh, blow me. She's gonna love it. The only thing it hasn't got.
She's going to have to put a helmet on.
Oh yeah. Can you reverse it back to me? No, it's got buttons, look.
Oh, sorry.
Reverse, high speed. And on this wooden floor, it does burnouts. When you switch it on and off, you've got these pretty bright lights, to be fair. There's no lights on the back. I think, I don't know how to find the... There looks like there's a light on the back. Maybe... I'll have to investigate. I might even read the instructions down there. But for 100 quid, that is pretty awesome. It's a 12-volt battery. And I think for a 3-year-old, I think she's going to absolutely love that. That is really, really cool. Top mark, Sam.
Winning in life.
So other features then, it has these super cool alloy wheel type-esque things. They are plastic, but they do look the part. I'm not quite sure how good this is going to be, but you have obviously, let me have to have it on. You do have MP3 connectivity, so you can listen to banging tunes if you're driving through the field doing their jobs. Underneath here, what, pal? Hairball. Underneath the seat, you have obviously your connector plugs.
So can you just take the battery in to charge? You don't have to bring the whole trike thingy.
No, you got to take the whole thing in.
Whole thing in.
Yeah. So the battery's in here, quite a small little battery, but you've got. I just sneezed in my face. Yeah. Dirty dog. So in here you've got under the seat, you've got the small little battery, and then all your colour cables or your cables are colour coordinated. But the seat goes on, and then a little turn key, charging ports on the side. You can't put that charger on here because it's just a plug. There's no attachment on that battery, and the battery's all screwed in. But that is really, really cool. Last test actually I want to do before she gets to the car. Turn the lights off.
I like the way it says all-terrain vehicle up there.
Oh my god. And now it means she can actually go out at night and cruise the streets. As a 3-year-old. So it's Jasmine's birthday on Tuesday. And once she's opened it and she has a first go, I will record it. And hopefully she's more successful than I am. I think we should wrap her in bubble wrap. But yeah, nice short, sweet one. And I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Happy birthday, Jasmine. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wait. Are you ready? Go.
Go on then.
Look, behind you. Behind you. She's found a balloon. Oh, the sofa.
Whoa! What do you think?
You know what
I
it is?
want that one.
Watch this. Watch this. Ready? Whoa!
Should we get it down?
Yeah. What do you think, Jazz? No, you don't need to push. Put your hands on the handlebars. Yeah, okay, let go of the balloon. Don't worry. Okay, put your feet up. And put your foot on that pedal. Let go. Alright, try again. Whoa!
Well done.